Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to sign out of JioHotstar app on our smart TV and Google TV devices. So let's check it out. JioHotstar app is the new revamped app combining both Disney Plus Hotstar and Jio Cinema app. Since this is a newly launched app, we might be confused which account to use, which account to sign out and try again. If the steps are confusing, here are 3 ways to sign out of JioHotstar app on our TV. We are using this app on a normal smart TV and also on a Google TV OS. We will share them one by one now. This is how the user interface on the JioHotstar app looks right now, but this may change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. So the first and direct method is to go to the JioHotstar app on our smart TV, select our profile, and then on the left side, we have to go like this and we have to go down and choose MySpace here. Then on the top right section, we have help and settings. This one, we just have to choose that. And now on the top right, we have the logout option. Select that. And we can confirm again. Select logout here as well. So that's all. Now we can re-enter any other JioHotstar account if we want. The second and third methods are the same, but we can do this on both the JioHotstar mobile app and the JioHotstar website version. For the mobile app, we can open the app, choose our profile, and then go to MySpace at the bottom right. Now at the top right, choose Help and Settings. Go to Account Settings. Here under Other Devices, we can see the list of smart TVs we are using. So we can select the one we want and choose the logout option. That's all. For the desktop version, we can open a web browser and go to hotstar.com or jiohotstar.com, and then we can choose our profile here. And now on the left side, we have to go to MySpace. And here at the top, go to Help and Settings. And now here under Other Devices, we can choose the TV we want to log out. So I'll choose this one and select Logout. Are you sure you want to log out? Log out. So that's all. Device logged out successfully. These are the steps to sign out of our JioHotstar app on our smart TV and Google TV. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.